We're asked to find the number of years and months it takes 17,000 to turn into 24,000 with a 0.0619 rate, and it's quarterly, so that's 4. Here's your formula. On this line, I substituted in A, P, R, and N. And now what we're doing is we're trying to solve for T. The first thing I did was I divided both sides by 24,000. And then I canceled out the zeros, and I'm left with 24 divided by 17 equals, and I just brought down the right-hand side. Now what we're trying to solve for is in the exponent, and whenever your variable is in the exponent, you need to take the either ln or log, doesn't matter which. I'm going to take the ln of both sides. And when I do that, that allows me to bring this down in front. And that's using one of the properties of logarithms. Now it's a calculator problem. If you look at this line, you are trying to solve for t. So I need to divide both sides by 4 and by this ln. And that's what I've done here. So I've got t equals that complicated fraction. And now I just use my calculator. I calculated the denominator first and stored it in my calculator. And then I took ln of 24 divided by 17 divided by this denominator. And I got 5.6139. And you need, this is years. And you need to calculate, we know it's 5 years in this much of a year. We need to change that to months. So take the 0.6139 and multiply it by 12. And you get 7.3668. And the problem says round the answer for months up to the nearest multiple 3. And that would be 9. So 5 years, 9 months.